Greetings, consensus peoples of the world. Greetings, Biafrans all over the continent that are hearing my voice. I am here with a new update, a current information of what is going on in the land of Biafra. But before I will proceed to this program, I want to give honor to whom honor is due. In the person of Chief of Armed Forces of Biafra land, in the respect of Igwe Botozo. Mpamonsa! I want to thank and appreciate and show my gratitude to Igwe Gentle the Yahoo, the Major General of the Biafra Liberation Army, who has given me the opportunity, the privilege to bring this update through the Defense Council of Igwe State media. I greet you, sir. My fellow Biafrans, I am here with a new update. This is a credible information about a sting operations in Okigwe to Uturu axis. The Biafra Liberation Army got this vital information and direct information that the DSS and the Nigerian military will go there under the pretense that it is a court-related issues. But in the other hand, they are going there because of IPOB, the indigenous peoples of Biafra. And they have a target, attacking, kidnapping, and killing Biafrans under the territory of Okigwe to Uturu axis. And their main target is to kill Biafrans residing at Ihube Okigwe, Ako Okigwe, Omololo Okigwe, Ezinnachi Okigwe, Abobu Okigwe, Arondizogo Okigwe, Umuduru Egbagoro. This information says that they will also visit some part of Onimo and the Olo for arrest. I want Biafrans within these communities I have mentioned above to be careful. From now, you are receiving this information, and you must be security conscious na keep as well. And military personnel from Ohafia barracks have been deployed to Uturu axis. So I want to use this opportunity to tell the Nigerian DSS that we have gotten the information on how they are collaborating with military personnel from Ohafia barrack to invade Uturu to Okigwe axis, to kill Biafrans, to adopt Biafrans in the search of, in the name of court-related issues. But we have gotten full information that you are coming to kill Biafrans. And another update I want to bring to the notice of the Biafrans all over the world, the consensus peoples of the world, the consensus peoples of Biafrans, especially those living in the land of Biafra, to understand that the shocking revelation I just want to share with you is that someone that was kidnapped and the revelation I just want to share with you is that someone that was kidnapped and has regained his freedom after ransom was paid. He was kidnapped by some Fulani boys along Lord Panther Road in Isochi local government in Abia State. He said when he was kidnapped alongside with some people that he noticed that there are some military personnel assisting the kidnappers, the Fulani kidnappers, military personnel assisting Fulani kidnappers to collect ransom from Biafrans they had kidnapped. That they were not far from the Umuahia to Enugu Express Road, but the victim confessed that he saw military men talking and discussing with the Fulani boys that kidnapped them. I want Biafrans also to understand another information. These are the things that is going on in the land of Biafra, and it is the duty of the Biafra Liberation Army to enlighten Biafrans all over the world what is currently going on in Imo State. It is a reliable source of information that we got an information that Hope Osodema, the illegitimate governor of Imo State, the governor now of Pampas of Imo State, the court governor of Imo State are planning with DSS, are working with DSS and sharing forms of Ebubago security forms to Okigwe autonomous communities. I come again. Another information is that Hope Osodema with DSS, the Nigerian Department of Security are sharing Ebubago security forms to Okigwe autonomous communities through the Ministry of Homeland Security and Vigilante Affairs. This is what currently that is going on now. The personnel of DSS are going to villages begging youth to fill the form. Look at the form. Look at the form. From the Ministry of Homeland Security and Vigilante Affairs, Imo State. And this ministry is owned by Fulanis in Imo State. And these are the forms, the route that they want to use for Fulanis to have entrance points into our different communities. But Biafrans are hereby warned by the Biafra Liberation Army, Okigwe State Command, using this medium to pass a stern warning to who it may concern to stay away from Hope Osodema and DSS terrorist security / vigilante group forms. These forms are hereby proscribed and prohibited as a terrorist security group in Biafra land. And any community, any PG, any chairman, any Eze, any councillor in Isalambano, in the Himembano, in Itoboma, in Obo, in Isiweke, in Okigwe, in Onimo, in every autonomous, everyone has been warned to stay away from this form. If you are guilty, you will join those who will receive their judgments from Chukwukike Abiyama. Don't say that the Biafra Liberation Army didn't warn you to stay away from any homeland security. We are not against our people. We are here to protect our people. But I want to use this opportunity to inform the DSS that we have gotten every of their informations. And also tell Hope Osodema that the meeting, the discussions with the DSS in their security chambers has been reviewed. And by Chukwukike Abiyama, we are ready to defend Okigwe State.